Hello friends, welcome to Let's Do It. As part of the Python interview question series, I will discuss the solutions to the important and tricky Python questions asked during the interview process. Okay, without delay, let's jump into the main part of this video. Okay, the question asked here is program to reverse a given number. Okay, let's solve this. So what the interviewer is asking is, he will be giving you a number, let's say 1 2 3 4 5, and what he expects is 5 4 3 2 1. This is what he is expecting. Let's try to solve this using string conversion. What I am going to do is, I am going to convert the integer type to string. Stir off. To check the type, how you can check the type is simple. You can use the type of stir of none. You can see now it is converted to the string. Now what I am going to do, I am going to use the slicing operator to reverse it. What I will do, number is str number minus 1 number is, again I am converting this reversed string to integer type. Okay, let's print revenue. That's it, simple. But when you write this, he may ask you to reduce to a single line. How you can do? Let's say the number is 987654. Reversed number is string that's it. What I am doing here, I am converting the number to string and I am reversing the string. Then again I am converting the reversed string to integer. Four, five, six, 7, 8, 9. Okay, but sometimes he may ask you not to use the str. Okay, that time how you have to solve this, I will explain you. So before that, you should be knowing what exactly the percentage and floor division operators does in Python. Just try to understand it. So this percent operator is used to get the remainder. 99% 10 equal to 9. 1 2 3 4% 10 equal to 4. Okay, and if you want to divide a number, you will use the division operator, but what actually happens is it will return the floating point value. But if you want to have only the number and not the floating point value, you have to use the floor division. Floor division 10. Okay, now let's use these operators in our program. Okay. Before going to the program, I will tell you the logic behind the program. So the logic is, let's assume that the number is 234. I will assign value 0 to the variable REVNUM, and then what I will do is I will apply percentage operator on the number, so that when it is divided by 10, I will get the remainder as 4. So what I am going to do is I will multiply, I always will multiply reversed number with 10, and I will add the remainder, which is 4 in this case. So what I will get, REVNUM value is 0. When it is multiplied by 10, it is still 0. 0 plus 4 equal to 4, and I will assign this 4 to REVNUM again. And in the next step, what I will do is I will apply floor division on the number. So what I will get, 23, and I will assign this to NUM again. Now my number is 3, that is 23. So number which is 23, remainder I will get 3. I will apply the same logic again. So my reverse number variable is holding the value 4. When it is multiplied by 10, the value is 40, and the remainder is 3. 40 plus 3, I will get 43. And again I will do the floor division. What I will get, I will get 23 divided by 10, I will get 2. I will assign to NUM. Now my number is 2. So 2% is 10. Let's see what is 2% is 10. 2 again. So I will get 2 as the output, and apply the same logic again. Now this variable is holding the value 43. 43 multiplied by 10, 430, plus remainder 2. 430 plus 2, 432, 432. Floor division 10. Let's see what is the value, 0. Now I will write a condition. I will write a condition such that the loop will repeat until it is 0. When it is 0, the loop will stop and it will give me the final value, which is 432. Now let's write the code. While number is greater than 0 or number equal to 0, what I am going to do, first remainder, I will get the remainder, number percent 10, and then REV GM equal to REV plus into 10. Plus remainder, then I have to apply floating division. Okay, that's it. Now let's print the reverse number variable. (432). Like this you can solve the problem. Hope you understood this program. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. If you need solution for any other Python program also, you can comment in the comment section. I will try to solve it in my later videos. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.